given to my YouTube channel. Ever wondered if there's a way to connect to the internet that's faster, cheaper, and more secure than Wi-Fi? Have you heard about LiFi technology? This remarkable innovation is lighting up our digital world, quite literally. LiFi, short for light fidelity, is a novel form of data transmission that uses light waves instead of the traditional radio waves used by Wi-Fi. Imagine a world where your ordinary lamp, streetlight, or LED television not only illuminates your surroundings, but also delivers high-speed internet connectivity. Intriguing, isn't it? This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we connect to the internet, offering speeds 100 times faster than Wi-Fi and a bandwidth 10,000 times wider. The global market for LiFi technology is projected to reach nearly $36 billion by 2028, with the Asia-Pacific region leading the growth. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating technology and see how it works. So, how does LiFi work? Well, think of it as a high-tech version of Morse code. You see, Morse code, a method of textual communication that dates back to the 19th century, used a series of dots and dashes to represent letters and numbers. These signals were then transmitted over long distances using light or sound. Imagine a lighthouse sending out flashes of light in a specific sequence, or a telegraph operator tapping out a message. In both cases, the receiver had to understand the code to interpret the message. Now let's fast forward to the 21st century, where we have LiFi, short for light fidelity. In a similar fashion to Morse code, LiFi uses light to transmit data. But instead of a simple series of dots and dashes, it uses the rapid flickering of LED or infrared light so fast that the human eye can't even detect it. So how does this differ from our good old friend Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi, as most of us know, uses radio waves to transmit data. While Wi-Fi has served us well, it operates on a crowded spectrum that's prone to interference and has its limits when it comes to speed and bandwidth. On the other hand, LiFi operates on the visible light spectrum, which is 10,000 times larger than the entire radio frequency spectrum. This means it has the potential to be a lot faster and handle a lot more data. In fact, LiFi can offer speeds 100 times faster than Wi-Fi, turning your typical internet browsing experience into something akin to the speed of light. But it's not all about speed. LiFi also offers better security than Wi-Fi. Since light can't pass through walls like radio waves can, it's much harder for someone to intercept your data. Plus, it doesn't interfere with other electronic devices, making it a great solution for environments where Wi-Fi might be problematic, like hospitals or airplanes. Pretty cool, right? But there's more to LiFi than just light signals. You might be wondering, why switch to LiFi when we already have Wi-Fi? Well, there are several reasons. Firstly, speed. LiFi technology is no tortoise in the race of internet connectivity. In fact, it's more like a cheetah, offering speeds that are 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. Imagine downloading an entire movie in just a few seconds or streaming the latest games without a hint of lag. That's the power of LiFi. Then, there's the bandwidth. Wi-Fi might be fast, but it does have its limits. LiFi, on the other hand, boasts a bandwidth 10,000 times wider. This means it can handle a lot more data at once, making it perfect for environments where multiple devices are connected to the internet simultaneously. Now let's talk about costs. Unlike Wi-Fi, LiFi doesn't require a router to transmit data. Instead, it uses LED or infrared light, which are already abundant in our homes and offices. This makes LiFi not only a more economical choice, but also a more environmentally friendly one. Security is another significant advantage of LiFi. Because light waves cannot penetrate walls, it makes it much harder for hackers to intercept your data. Plus, LiFi operates wirelessly and invisibly, making it a subtle yet powerful tool for secure internet connectivity. Finally, there's the issue of interference. Wi-Fi signals can get congested, especially in urban areas where everyone and their grandmother is connected to the internet. With LiFi, this problem is virtually non-existent. It does not cause interference or saturation of the radio spectrum, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted internet experience. With all these benefits, it's not surprising that LiFi technology is gaining traction around the world. So where can we expect to see LiFi technology in use? Now that's a good question. LiFi, with its bright promise and luminary capabilities, is lighting up potential applications across multiple sectors. Imagine walking into an office where the overhead lights are doing more than just illuminating the room. They're providing high-speed internet connectivity. Office spaces are one of the prime candidates for LiFi technology. With LiFi, we could see a future where our workspaces are not just brighter, but also smarter and more efficient. And the opportunities for LiFi don't stop there. Commercial aircraft are also testing the waters, or should we say testing the lights. With LiFi, passengers could be browsing the web, streaming movies, or sending emails mid-flight, all through the power of light. Air travel could be about to take a giant leap forward, combining speed, comfort, and connectivity in a way we've never seen before. Public lighting, too, could be revolutionized. Streetlights and park lamps could become hotspots of internet connectivity, making our cities smarter and our public spaces more interactive. Now let's talk numbers. The global market for LiFi technology is estimated to reach nearly $36 billion by the year 2028. And guess who's leading the charge? The Asia-Pacific region, lighting the way forward in LiFi adoption. What does this all mean? It means that LiFi is not just a concept or a theory. It's here, it's happening, and it's growing. From offices to airplanes, from streetlights to entire regions, LiFi is stepping into the spotlight. The future of internet connectivity might just be a whole lot brighter with LiFi. So, is LiFi the future of internet connectivity? You might be asking yourself this question after everything we've discussed. We've delved into the working mechanism of LiFi, how it uses light waves from everyday sources like lamps, streetlights, or LED televisions to transmit data. We've talked about its numerous benefits. It's faster, safer, and cheaper than Wi-Fi, and doesn't require a router. It's potentially 100 times quicker than Wi-Fi and offers a bandwidth 10,000 times wider. We've also explored the possible applications of LiFi, like in offices or even in commercial aircraft. With the global market for LiFi technology projected to reach nearly $36 billion by 2028, it's clear that this technology is on the rise. Could LiFi replace Wi-Fi and other wireless networks in the future? It's a possibility, but as with all technology, its adoption will depend on various factors, including infrastructure, cost, and user acceptance. Only time will tell if LiFi will become the new standard, but one thing's for sure, it's an exciting technology with a lot of potential. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of LiFi.